You are most welcome, and this is vidIQ Mathematics channel. In this presentation, I want to take you through how you can complete this magic square puzzle, which is the 5 by 5 number of boxes, meaning there are 25 boxes. And in here below, without wasting time, we have the guiding rules. Rule number 1, use only these 5 digits. So we have to use only 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then rule number 2, the total or sum of digits placed in a row or a column or a diagonal must be 15. So we have to fill using 1, 2, 3 up to 5 this table, and the sum of the digits placed in either a row or a column or a diagonal must be equal to the 15 as it is stated in the guiding rules. So let us begin. As I told you, we always begin from the middle column here. So we are going to begin by putting here a 1, then we stop down, we don't write here, we write this the next one, so a 2, then we write diagonally 3. If they are over, we come back to the left hand side, we don't write in this box, instead I write the one just above it, and this is supposed to be 4, then we write diagonally, this is 5. So if we see that we have met this one, the diagonal direction, what we do, just write it below. So we are supposed to go to 1 again, then this is a 2, 3. So if they are over and down here, we see that they are more. What we do, we move down here and we don't write here, but write the next box on the right. So this is 4. Then after that, we move towards the left and we don't write here, instead we write the next above. So this is 5. If we can write in diagonal, but there is already a placed figure, that means we need to come and write here the 1, then the 2, the 3, the 4, 5. So if we see that they are over and down this side on the right hand side there is no any box, what we do, we just write below it. So this is 1. Then having written down 1 there, we move to the left and we don't write in this box, instead we write the one just above it. So this is a 2. Then we move down here, we don't write in this one, but write in the next one. So this is 3. We write diagonally 4, 5. So if we see that there is already a placed figure, we come down here. This is 1. Then this is a 2. If they are over this side, we come this side, we don't write in this box. Write the one above it. So this is 3. Then the next one is 4. Then lastly, we move down here. We don't write in this, we write in the next one. This is 5. And as I told you, where you begin from, in the column we began from, which is the middle column, is where we have finished from. Now, if we try to sum up, let us see. If you sum up the 2 plus 4, that is 6, plus 1, 7, plus 10, that is 10, then plus 5 to give us the 15. That means this is also 15, 15, 15, and also the diagonals. If you sum up them, so we are adding 1 plus 2, 3, then 3 plus 3 to give us 6, plus 4, that's 10, then plus 5 to give us 15. Likewise for this diagonal, it's gonna be 15. Thanks for watching. If this video has been of value to you, subscribe to this channel, vidIQ Mathematics channel, for more videos. See you again next time. Goodbye.